Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how you are going to buy more airtime using less money. Okay, so go right ahead to Play Store, hit the search bar and search for Leja app. This is the app. Mine is not updated, but when you download it, it will be the new version. After downloading it and installing, go right ahead and open the app. If you don't have an account, just sign up. They will ask you if you have a referral code. Put the code that is in the description in this video. When you enter it, you will be given 20 airtime direct to your SIM card. Remember, if you don't put the referral code, you won't get any airtime. So mine I have already signed up, so I'm going to log in. After logging in, just hit buy airtime. Choose the network that you use, either Safaricom, Telcom or Airtel. You hit the amount, let's see 20 bob. You hit the buy airtime button. As you can see, you buy cash 20 of airtime and receive 24 airtime. You use 20 bob to get 24 airtime. Let's see how much you get at 50 bob. Yeah, you get 60 airtime by just using 50 bob. You see this 100, you get 20 extra cash. And then if you don't have, you can also get airtime and money through referring to your friends. Here, as you can see, you receive food. You receive cash 20 when your friend registers, and another 20 when they complete their first buy airtime transaction with the Leja. And also your friend will receive 20 when they register and use your referral code. So you see this one here. As I told you earlier, if you don't put the referral code, you won't get any airtime. So my referral code is just this one, OBJWOS. As you can see, you just hit the invite friend button. It will give you a link. Just use this link and send it to your friend. Make sure your friend enters this code so that both of you can receive the airtime. So that's all I have for today.